Happy New Year, guys. Happy New Year. Yo, like, I'm officially making this video on the 1st of January, like, because I woke up feeling so grateful. My heart was like, I don't know, I just felt so excited and I felt so happy this morning. But then Snapchat, I got like a notification on Snapchat and I saw like a video of like the memory that Snapchat sent was like my January 2023, and like I was always crying like in those videos. Like the first half of 2023 was really horrible for me. It was so depressing and it was so sad because I don't really know, but then the fact that I moved what of December 2022 and I celebrated my Christmas here for the first time without my family and without the people that I grew up with, like that I would normally celebrate Christmas with. That added to it, coming here, like everything, yo, I can't even explain. Like I can't really explain because sometimes when I try to explain, I feel like nobody will really understand because they are not you. They didn't feel what I felt. But then it was very, very sad, and I'm very grateful to God that I am so much better now. Whether I choose to agree or not, or whether I choose to accept it or not, know that I have grown mentally, spiritually, and my mindset has changed. I am much better, I'm much happier. Like this one is not like pretend happiness. I am happier. I'm no longer depressed. If I'm sad now, probably something made me sad, but then I could not really put my hand on what was making me sad. Like every single thing around me was depressing me. Right now, I'm happier, I'm better, and this year, honestly, this year, I'm going all out. I'm going all out. Sure, you guys are ready. I just wanted to wish you guys a happy new year and I hope this year is great for you. I hope that every single plan that you make this year, God is going to give you the strength, He's going to give you the direction, and He's going to give you the resources that you need to move forward. Every single thing that you and I have lost in 2023, we're going to get it back in 2024. This year is going to be amazing. It's going to be amazing. So get ready, guys, because it's about to be a blast. Oof. Hello. It's about to be a blast. Okay? Have an amazing year, guys. Love you. Hi guys, good morning. The time is 4:49. I need to get ready. I want to really carry you guys along in this vlog, so I'll start by telling you where I'm going to. I'm going to London shortly with my husband. Our train is for 6:05 thereabouts, so I need to be fast. And you know when you're going out with men, they're always, are you done? Are you done? Are you done? Please let me breathe. That is on that drawer, please bring it for me. Thank you. I got these gloves from Timo. It's a color changer gloss. I love it so much. I just apply it and I leave it for a while, then I apply my gloves. It's so nice, like yo. Don't you want to kiss me? So it's time to do my hair. I just took off my braids like ending of December. It was not even up to a month. I actually plan to carry that braids for at least a month or so because When you make your hair in the UK, don't go around losing it as soon as possible. I could not carry it for long. Like, I felt like a burden was stressing me out. I do my ponytails or my slick back. I like using black gel. It makes my hair look darker and it helps cover my empty edges. My edge control is black as well because I don't really have much front hair, so I try to use these dark hair products so that today is going to be a very long day, so yeah, better keep these edges intact. So I just put my edges down and let me quickly get dressed. We made it to our train. We actually ran here. I was a bit confused when we got to the train station. Another thing we're going to be doing when we get to London is I want to like adjust my ring. Let me give you a quick backstory on why my ring is not my size. This man sitting right here, he knows my ring size. I've told him my ring size. Then when he wanted to propose, he went ahead to get a very big ring. I don't know if there's another fat woman who wanted to propose to her. And now I lost more weight and the ring is literally falling from my hands. Like, see, like it can slide out. The only place that we found their store is in London, so we also want to like adjust my ring there as well and probably upgrade the stone.
Probably.
I'll probably upgrade my stone. Like I said, the need for you're looking at it. This is the face of the corporate. Say hi. Say hi. We get it adjusted today and they'll send it to Leeds when they are done. How many hours from here to London? It's almost 3 hours from Leeds to London, so we'll be here shortly. Okay? I think we'll be here shortly. We'll be there soon. I look so cute, like. Hi guys.
Five sizes, then it's actually hard. You're gonna have to retip every time. Do you guys live in the UK or do you live? Yeah.
Because I also lost weight, so it's even go worse.
Yeah. We're on YouTube.
Yeah, she's a YouTuber, so.
Oh, nice. Yeah, Oni and
Ifeoma.
Yeah. 154. After the discount, it comes to 11,000.
What about this one in front?
This one here.
This is the one she actually.
Oh, this one?
Yes. Looks like hers, but a bigger stone.
So this is 8,000 mark.
Looks
And it's a
perfect.
very good size.
Looks like the one I bought.
Exactly.
Like the other one, yeah?
Yes, exactly. It's the same design, same style, just bigger stone. It's the same cushion shape.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's the same ring, but just bigger stone.
Okay, send me a quote for
Okay.
this one and
Will do.
maybe work out the differences with the one she has already.
Perfect.
Okay.
Will do.
Please turn on the light for me. Hi guys, how you guys doing? How you guys doing? Happy Sunday, guys. I just came back from church and I'm trying to take out my clothes, but I said let me come on Gucci people and see how you guys are doing. Like, what's up? What's good? Are you okay? I look really cute and I just came here to say hi. Even if I actually just came here to look at myself. My friend is having like a birthday party, but not really like a party, but she's having something small with some of her friends and myself as well. So I'll be going there shortly and I'm going to be vlogging the whole ratio. You know the vibes, yeah? You know the vibes, yeah? You know the vibes, yeah? So see you guys shortly. Bye. I'm ready. I'm ready to go. I don't know if you guys can see me. I'm ready to go. I'll be in soon. Package some goodies. Let's go. I'm already running late, but it's fine. It's not my wedding.
She does.
This is how I look after bathing. How do you look after bathing? Challenge? Let's go. Let's go. Please give me my jacket. Jesus.
But I told you it's raining. It's raining.
What was I trying to do? Yo. It's raining. Yeah, she made cupcakes. Let's try it and see. Hey! Hi! This is Daco.
It's such a cute place. Let me just put my home.
Say hi. Hi. Happy birthday. Say what? Say. Oh my god. This is
Oh, guys, yes, but if you people, but I know them last meeting. Well, I'll be real with some people. I'll be real with you. If there is a lot, then you can still.
The white one is good? Yeah.
Nice mix.
Some people are new, but I just want to say I love you so much and I'm so happy to have you here today. And yeah, let's have fun, let's celebrate. Thank you. Okay, I don't know.
I'm sorry.
Wait, I
This is a special to Annie.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay, but do you want it like again?
Yeah.
Wait, keep it though.
I know, right? Guys, I had so much fun, and I'm going home with some leftovers. This apartment is so beautiful. Yeah, it's windy. Hey, breeze, don't carry me, oh. Please, where did this man park?